Sometimes in life, we do everything right. Work hard, we pray, we try our best. And yet there comes a moment when it feels like life has broken us from within. There was an eagle whose flight was so perfect that when he spread his wings in the sky, people would stop breathing. But one day a storm came, and when the eagle tried to soar above it, his wings were torn. And as he fell, he thought, "Can I ever fly again?" He met a wise rabbit who told him, "Your wings don't define you, your will does. You are the freedom of the sky." And as the eagle listened to those words, a spark returned to his eyes. He stretched his wings, this time not in fear, but with passion. And in a single moment, he rose above the storm and flew higher than he had ever flown before. Because sometimes in life, falling is inevitable, but getting back up is a choice. And when we choose to rise, we can fly above our problems and reach new heights.